Hello everyone, today we are going to be unboxing the NReal Air AR Glasses. These glasses are currently available in the UK exclusively from EE and are available at £400. This puts them in a similar price bracket to budget VR headsets such as the Meta Quest 2. The AR glasses come in a nice carry case along with some accessories. The accessories included are 2 extra nose pieces, which makes a total of 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. You also get a prescription lens adapter which you can take to your optician to get lenses made in order to be able to use the NReal Air if you have glasses. You also get a cover which blocks out the surrounding environment, a USB-C cable, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. The Airs do not have a battery inside, which means they are powered entirely by the USB-C cable connected to your device. This means that if you are using them on a smartphone, you will drain the battery quite quickly. However, you do not need to worry about having to charge the glasses themselves. Currently, there are only a few Android smartphones which are officially supported. This is because the glasses require a display port over USB-C signal, which not all smartphones can supply. Those devices that are supported allow you to use the Nebula app, which gives you an immersive 360 environment where you can use your phone as a pointer to move around windows and select things on the display. I happen to be an Apple user, which means I cannot take full advantage of all these features. For now, I simply plug my glasses into the USB-C port on either my MacBook or iPad Pro, and I get a 130 inches version of the screen displayed right in the glasses in a fixed position. Currently, there is a beta version of the Nebula app for macOS which allows you to take advantage of more features of the glasses. There is also an NReal adapter which allows you to take any HDMI signal and convert it into the required signal for the Air glasses. This will allow you to use it with an iPhone provided you have a Lightning to AV adapter. The NReal adapter isn't currently available in the UK, so I have ordered one from Japan, so make sure to subscribe to see the unboxing. The build quality of the glasses is great, and the side arms have quite a lot of adjustability, which, along with the various nose pieces, means they will fit nicely on pretty much any head. Initially, when I first put on the glasses, I was very impressed. The picture quality was great and the colors were very good. Inside the lenses are 2 OLED screens which provides great colors and great blacks. Using them in AR mode is great for being able to still see your environment, and would be great for watching a large movie on a plane. If you want an even better picture quality, you can put on the included light blocker, which gives you a perfectly black background. This makes the OLED screens even more impressive. The display is supposed to look like a 130 inches display from 4 meters away, and it is much more cinematic and immersive than watching a movie on your phone or laptop screen. The covers also give you more privacy, as they block people from being able to see the screen from outside. Embedded on the arms of the glasses are 2 speakers, which is a nice touch. The speakers provide a nice, clear sound which is fine for listening to things such as podcasts or news events. However, if you want to get the best experience, you will probably want to use some wireless earbuds such as AirPods. Overall, if you are looking for an entry into the AR world, these glasses are a great option with their high-quality displays, although they currently have very limited features. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.